In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a full screen capture on window capture in OBS Studio. Whether you're new to OBS Studio or have been using it for a while, making sure your window capture is full screen can sometimes feel a bit daunting. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, I want you to open up your OBS Studio application. This is where all the magic happens. Take a moment to ensure that OBS Studio is updated to the latest version, as updates often bring new features and fix previous issues, which might simplify your task. Now that OBS Studio is open and ready, let's direct our attention to the menu at the bottom of the screen. You're going to click on Sources. The Sources panel is crucial because it's where you choose what OBS is going to capture. This can be anything from your entire display, a game, or a specific window. Once you've located and opened your Sources panel, you'll need to add a new source to capture what you desire. To do that, simply click the plus icon or Add button. This will prompt a drop-down menu with various options for what you can capture. From this menu, you'll select Window Capture. This option allows you to capture a specific window of an application you have open on your computer. It's perfect if you're looking to live stream or record just one application without capturing everything else you have on your screen. With the window capture option now selected, let's head to the settings to refine it. Click on the Mode setting, which gives you several choices for how the window will be captured. Ensure it's set to include the window you're aiming to capture. After confirming your mode settings, one of the easiest next steps is to right-click on the window capture preview within OBS. This right-click will bring up a context menu full of options specific to that source. In this context menu, you'll want to look for and click on Transform. This option helps you adjust the view and orientation of your capture source within OBS. Under the Transform menu, you'll then see Fit to Screen. Clicking this option will maximize your captured window to fill the entire screen within OBS Studio. It's a quick method to ensure that there's no blank space or wasted real estate on your live stream or recording output. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your window capture is now set to full screen within OBS Studio. Whether you're streaming a game, showcasing software, or presenting creatively to an audience online, this will ensure everything looks professional and polished. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more OBS Studio tips and tutorials.